Is your linen closet disorganized and it's hard to find what you're looking for? Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through how I totally transform my linen closet on a Dollar Tree budget utilizing the Konmari method, so stay tuned. Lindsay with Organized to Save, and on my channel my goal is to help get you organized on a Dollar Tree budget, which is exactly where I went to get everything that I needed to transform my linen closet. So let's dive in and let me show you the mess that it was before and how I got it to be a clean, organized, Konmari linen closet. First thing that you're going to want to do is to take everything out of the closet. You need to start fresh, start clean, and make sure that you actually physically touch every single item that's in the closet. I went a step further and rearranged this closet. Step 2 is to clean it out. You really want to start with a clean space. Make sure that you dust all the walls, clean up all the shelves, and vacuum the floors. Now, our closet was a mess. There were so many spider webs in there. Ugh. Thankfully, I didn't run into any critters. It's so important to start with a clean slate so that way, especially, you're not putting all of your linens on dirty shelves. Step 3, I like to actually space plan so that way as I'm going through all my items, I can know exactly how much space I'm going to have. And that personally helps me visualize and know how much I need to get rid of. So as I said, I went to the Dollar Tree and I found some awesome bins. So let me show you what I found. The first thing that I got were these adorable teal bins. I really like this marbling effect that they have on them. I've not seen that before in these bins. Great tip for you guys, if you can't find the color that you're looking for in the store and you know that you're going to need a large quantity, check out the Dollar Tree online because you can actually order products in bulk online to get the color that you want. Next bin that I got are these shoe boxes, which I absolutely love using shoe boxes because I like that they have the clear bottom so you can see exactly what's inside of them. Once you have your space visualized, you're going to want to go ahead and start sorting through everything and getting rid of things that you no longer need or that no longer spark joy, as Marie Kondo says. This is all of the linens and towels that came out of the closet or that I just washed. Make sure that you have all of your laundry done first so that way you can actually tackle everything at one time. So I went through and tackled all of my towels and linens first, and I went ahead and got rid of a couple different towels that just were really worn down, we don't use anymore, and they just didn't bring joy to me anymore. At this point, I went ahead and started to refold everything. So I'm trying out the Marie Kondo's way of folding towels and folding linens, and I think actually I'm really gonna like it. I've been struggling for a while with how to fold all of my linens, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I really have struggled with folding fitted sheets in particular. They are so difficult to fold, but I really like this method that I found, and let me know in the comments down below what you think of this. Using the Konmari method, it made so much more space on the shelves, and it's so easy to see what you're trying to find because as you see, all of the towels are lined up perfectly, so it's really easy just to go in there and snag one. So now it was time to be brutal with what I actually needed to hold on to. I needed to go through all of those shoe boxes that I had in there previously, look at all the different expiration dates. There were so many things that were expired or that I knew I had not used in like the last year that I just needed to get rid of, because a lot of products, once you open them, on the backs of them they'll say, you know, use within so many months. So make sure that you're double checking all of the bottles to make sure that you're still within the time frame of when it's safe to use those products. As I was looking through all the different products, I went ahead and just used some post-it notes to make some temporary labels on the bins that I knew I was keeping in there. Now I had 5 different bins, so I wanted to just try to condense down what exactly my categories were. and I ended up keeping a hair one, a spa one, a feminine products, a first aid, and a travel one. Now the travel one, I don't have a whole lot of stuff in there, and honestly I keep a lot of travel products just in our guest room for our guests. I really like these shoebox containers because it's really easy to see what's inside, but I wanted to take it a step further and actually label all of the bins, because I know for my husband, for example, that's going to be so much easier for him to find exactly what he's looking for. So I went ahead and used these really cute labels that I found at the Dollar Tree, and then used my label maker, of course. I love my label maker. I always link that down below whenever I use it. Now you could obviously just write on these labels, but since I have my label maker, I really like the uniform look. So the positives of using the KonMari method to fold, for example, your hand towels and washcloths, extra pillowcases, all that stuff, is that you can actually file fold them within your bin. I like using this file folding method because otherwise if you have everything stacked on top of each other, it's going to be really hard to get to, you know, the color towel that you want that's on the very bottom, versus having them file folded where you could easily just go in and grab what you're looking for. In this closet, we just had a couple little extra things. I'm gonna try something new just because I've talked about this before, but I have noticed that with our laundry, we actually tend to have laundry sitting in the hallway a lot. I wanted to try with putting a laundry basket in this hall closet. I like testing out where I notice that something is collecting, setting a system in place, because it's been a natural tendency for us to put something there. So at this point, I have everything set in place. So let's go ahead and check out the before. It was so cluttered, as you can see, and it was not very easy to access what I needed. So let's go ahead and check out the after. I love how it's set up now. It's so uniform looking with all of the teal accents of the bins, and it's gonna be so easy to put all of the towels and linens away now as we do the laundry. Really excited to see how this will continue to function for us, but with getting rid of all of that excess stuff that we do not use anymore, it's so much easier just to see what I'm trying to find. I can easily pull out a towel or pull out new sheets when we need to change the beds, and I am just absolutely thrilled with the results. If you're looking for more linen closet inspiration, make sure to check out the video on your screen right now for a $0 budget linen closet transformation. We'll catch you guys next time.